Introducing the Mighty M Bio-Series Water Treatment System, the smarter way to manage wastewater. At golf courses across the country, water isn't just important, it's essential. Every mower, cart, and piece of turf equipment needs regular cleaning, and that creates wastewater filled with oils, grease, fertilizers, herbicides, and other contaminants. Left untreated, that water becomes a costly liability. With the Mighty M Bio-Series Water Treatment System, it becomes a resource. The Biological Series Water Treatment and Recycling System turns contaminated wash water into clean, reusable water, saving you money, conserving resources, and helping protect the environment. The secret? Microbes. These microscopic organisms are nature's original recyclers, and in the Bio-Series, they've been optimized for one purpose: breaking down waste. They consume oils, grease, fertilizers, pesticides, and other contaminants, transforming them into nothing more than carbon dioxide and water. It's a natural, chemical-free process that's both safe and highly effective. Here's how it works. As wastewater drains into the system, it's pumped into a bioreaction tank. Inside, the water flows through multiple chambers, each designed to maximize contact with colonies of hungry microbes. The water flows through the tanks, giving the microbes the time and environment they need to do their work. With a steady supply of food, oxygen, and the right conditions, the microbes thrive, and your water gets cleaner with every pass. Once treatment is complete, a pressurized tank delivers biologically treated water that's ready for reuse in equipment washing or safe discharge into a sanitary sewer. Dirty water in, clean water out. That's performance under pressure. The Bio-Series is built with efficiency and longevity in mind. Its marine-grade aluminum construction, sloped bottom design, and low-maintenance operation mean you can count on years of reliable performance. And because it operates without harsh chemicals, it's safe for your staff, your equipment, and your grounds. The benefits are clear. Significantly reduce daily water consumption and cut operation costs by lowering your monthly water usage. Stay compliant with wastewater discharge regulations and avoid costly fines. And most importantly, make a positive impact on the environment, today and for future generations. This system is part of Mighty M's full line of water treatment systems, available in a range of tank capacities to meet the needs of customers of any size. Additional treatment options include water oil separators and mechanical treatment systems. These systems are ideal for a variety of applications and operations, from heavy equipment washing to rental yards, municipalities, and more. At Mighty M, we know everyone has unique needs. That's why we work directly with you to provide a water treatment solution tailored to your operation. Backed by our reputation for dependable, American-made equipment, the Bio-Series is more than just a water treatment system. It's an investment in sustainability, savings, and peace of mind. The Mighty M Bio-Series. Cleaner water, lower costs, a greener future.